As we age, our style doesn't have to fade, it can evolve. Women over 60 can shine brighter than ever by choosing the right colors that enhance their natural beauty. Wearing the right shades not only lifts your look, but also boosts confidence and catches the attention of those around you. In this script, we'll explore colors that can make a woman look radiant, elegant, and unforgettable after 60. You don't need complicated fashion rules or expensive clothes. Just simple, smart color choices can do wonders. Let's explore which colors suit you best and why they work so well. Chapter 1: Understanding Color and Aging. As we grow older, our skin tone, hair color, and eye color may change. Skin might become lighter, lose some pigmentation, or take on a cooler or warmer undertone. This means the colors that look good on us in our 20s or 30s might not have the same effect now. Choosing colors that complement these changes is key. When your skin tone changes, soft or muted shades often work better. They don't clash or overpower your natural features. Colors that brighten your face without being too harsh can add energy to your overall look. The goal is not to hide your age, but to embrace it beautifully with colors that enhance your features, make your eyes sparkle, and give your skin a healthy glow. Chapter 2: Timeless Neutrals that Flatter. Neutrals are the foundation of any wardrobe, but not all neutrals are equal. The best neutrals for women over 60 include soft beige, ivory, taupe camel, and cool grays. These shades are easy to mix and match and work well with bolder colors or patterns. Ivory is a great alternative to white, which can sometimes look too stark. Ivory adds a warm, gentle light to the face. Taupe and camel are both soft browns that look refined and elegant. These colors can make an outfit look polished without trying too hard. Gray, especially softer grays, can replace black, which might appear too harsh against mature skin. Light or medium gray is gentle and works well with most other colors. Chapter 3: Soft Pastels for a Gentle Glow. Pastels are perfect for mature skin because they are soft, calming, and flattering. Think lavender, baby blue, blush pink, and mint green. These colors add a touch of youthfulness without trying to look young. Blush pink is especially beautiful. It adds a soft warmth to the face and pairs well with almost any neutral. Lavender brings out the glow in cooler undertones and adds a serene, feminine charm. Mint green and baby blue have a fresh feeling that's clean and uplifting. When worn in scarves, blouses, or cardigans, they can highlight your face beautifully. Chapter 4: Jewel Tones that Command Attention. While pastels are soft and calming, jewel tones are rich, deep, and bold. These are the colors that get you noticed. The best jewel tones for women over 60 include emerald green, sapphire blue, amethyst purple, and ruby red. Emerald green looks stunning on almost every skin tone and adds vibrancy. It gives an elegant, powerful feel to any outfit. Sapphire blue is timeless and classy. It's perfect for dresses, jackets, or blouses and adds sophistication. Amethyst purple is both royal and graceful. It adds depth without overwhelming your features. Ruby red is a color of confidence and passion. It brightens a face and adds life to your look. Choose a shade that suits your skin tone, either a cool blue base red or a warmer coral red. Chapter 5: Earth Tone for Warmth and Depth. Earth tones connect us with nature and offer a grounded, rich feel. Think terracotta, olive green, mustard yellow, rust, and chocolate brown. These colors are especially flattering for women with warm undertones. Terracotta is a warm, clay-like color that gives a natural, sun-kissed glow. Olive green is calm, mature, and goes well with neutrals. Mustard yellow is cheerful without being too bright. It can add energy to your outfit when used in accessories or tops. Rust and chocolate brown are warm, deep colors that look elegant and cozy. They are great for fall and winter and work well in coats, scarves, and sweaters. Chapter 6. The Magic of White and Cream. While bright white can sometimes be too sharp, softer versions like cream, ivory, and off-white are flattering and classic. These colors give a clean, fresh appearance and highlight your features. Cream can make your skin look warm and luminous. It's a great color for blouses, knitwear, or even dresses. Off-white is another versatile color that pairs beautifully with almost any other shade. Wearing these colors can make you appear more open, serene, and elegant. They are also easy to dress up or down. Chapter 7. Using color to highlight your best features. You can use color to draw attention to your best features. For example, if you have beautiful eyes, wear shades that match or complement their color. Blue eyes sparkle with navy, sky blue, or turquoise. Green or hazel eyes shine with plum, moss green, or bronze. To brighten your face, wear flattering colors close to it, like in scarves, earrings, or blouses. Even a colorful necklace can add life to a neutral outfit. You don't have to dress in bright colors head to toe. A touch of color in the right place can make all the difference. Chapter 8. Patterns, prints, and color pairing. Don't be afraid of prints. Floral, paisley, stripes, or abstract prints can all add personality. Just make sure the colors in the print are flattering for your skin tone. Pair colors smartly. For example, soft pink and gray make a graceful, feminine combo. Navy and white are crisp and classic. Olive and cream feel earthy and chic. You can balance bold colors with softer ones to create harmony. For example, pair a ruby red blouse with a taupe skirt or emerald green scarf with an ivory sweater. Chapter 9. Accessories that pop. Accessories are a great way to experiment with color. You can try bold colors without committing to a full outfit. Try scarves in jewel tones, handbags in bright hues, or shoes in rich earth tones. Jewelry also plays a role. Pearls look timeless and elegant. Colored gemstones like amethyst, turquoise, and garnet can add character. Choose metals that flatter your skin. Gold for warm tones, silver for cool tones. Chapter 10. Confidence is the best color. No matter which colors you wear, the key is wearing them with confidence. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Style is not about age, it's about expression. Don't be afraid to try new shades, mix colors, or even break the usual fashion rules. What matters most is how the colors make you feel. If you find colors that make you smile, feel radiant, and help you stand tall, then those are your perfect colors. Chapter 11. Color and hair. Finding harmony. Hair color plays a big role in how colors appear on you. As women age, their hair may turn silver, white, gray, or take on softer tones of their natural color. Each shade brings a new opportunity to explore what colors will make you glow. Silver and white hair tend to look stunning with cool tones like navy, lavender, icy blue, and raspberry. These shades create contrast and brightness without overwhelming the skin. If your hair is a warm gray or soft blonde, colors like peach, coral, dusty rose, and olive green will bring out the best in both your hair and complexion. Women who color their hair or maintain darker tones can still enjoy bolder choices. Rich jewel tones like teal, ruby, and deep plum bring depth and flair to darker hair. Choosing colors that work with your current hair shade ensures you always look coordinated, radiant, and refreshed. Chapter 12: Seasonal Color Palettes for Every Woman. The seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, each have their own color palette. Understanding your seasonal color type can help you select the most flattering shades. Spring types usually have warm undertones with light hair and eyes. Soft, warm colors like peach, coral, golden yellow, and light turquoise look great. Summer types have cool undertones and may have light to medium hair and soft eyes. Colors like rose, lavender, baby blue, and gray blue are excellent. Autumn types tend to have warm undertones with rich hair and eye colors. Earthy tones like rust, burnt orange, olive, and mustard suit them well. Winter types usually have cool undertones with striking contrasts, such as dark hair and light eyes. Bold shades like black, white, sapphire, and emerald can make a strong impact. Knowing your season can help you build a wardrobe with colors that consistently enhance your appearance. Chapter 13: Building a Colorful Wardrobe with Intention. Having a wardrobe full of beautiful colors doesn't mean owning too many clothes. It's about choosing pieces that mix and match well and suit your personal style. Start with a few neutrals you love, like soft gray, ivory, or taupe. Then add pops of your favorite colors, maybe a lavender sweater, a coral blouse, or an emerald green jacket. Use color to create outfits for different moods and occasions. Soft pastels for relaxed days, jewel tones for evenings or events, earth tones for cozy, casual looks. Rotate your accessories to change the vibe. A simple dress can look completely different with a turquoise scarf one day and a ruby necklace the next. Building a color-conscious wardrobe can simplify dressing and make you feel confident every day. Chapter 14: Color in Makeup and Nail Polish. Makeup and nail color also matter. As skin tones shift with age, makeup shades should shift too. Lipsticks in rose, berry, or coral tones can brighten your whole face. Avoid very dark or very pale shades that may wash you out. Choose creamy formulas that feel hydrating and look natural. Blush in soft peach, plum, or pink tones can add a youthful glow. Lightly applied, it brings color back into your complexion. Eyeshadows in neutral tones like taupe, soft brown, or gray enhance your eyes without appearing harsh. A touch of shimmer on the lids can bring a lovely sparkle. Nail polish is another way to play with color. Soft pinks, berry reds, or even deep purples can add elegance and fun to your look. Chapter 15: Color Psychology and Emotional Impact. Colors not only affect how you look, they influence how you feel and how others feel around you. Wearing blue can make you appear calm, trustworthy, and approachable. Red evokes energy, passion, and confidence. Green symbolizes balance and harmony. Purple suggests creativity and luxury. Yellow adds joy and positivity. Choosing colors based on how you want to feel can be a powerful tool. On days you need a mood boost, wear your favorite uplifting shade. On days when you need peace, go for calming tones. Let your wardrobe be a source of strength and joy. Chapter 16: Personal Stories and Real-Life Inspiration. Many women over 60 have transformed their style simply by choosing better colors. Some find that a soft pink scarf brings compliments every time. Others say that switching from black to navy made them feel less harsh and more open. Real women have shared how discovering their seasonal color palette helped them feel more put together. One woman said she stopped wearing white and chose cream instead, which made her look less tired and more vibrant. These stories show that color makes a real difference in how you feel and how you're seen. Experimenting and observing what works best for you is part of the fun. Chapter 17. Shopping Tips and Color Confidence. When shopping, hold the garment near your face in natural light. If your eyes light up and your skin looks fresh, it's a good color for you. If it makes you look tired or dull, leave it behind. Take photos of yourself in different colors and compare. Trust how you feel in each color. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Many stores offer color consultation services. Even talking to a stylist can help you discover new shades that suit you. Start small. Try a scarf or blouse in a new color. Build up slowly. With time, you'll learn what works and gain confidence in your choices. Chapter 18. Color as a signature of your style. Some women become known for a particular color. Maybe you always wear turquoise or love everything in lavender. A signature color can be part of your personal brand. It becomes a way people remember you, a color that feels uniquely you. Whether the bright red lipstick, a cobalt blue dress, or a soft pink cardigan, your signature color tells the world something about your spirit. Your style after 60 is about freedom, wisdom, and self-expression. Let color be your companion on this vibrant journey. Final thoughts. Color has the power to transform not just how we look, but how we feel. For women over 60, embracing color is a beautiful way to celebrate life, vitality, and individuality. It's not about dressing younger. It's about dressing smarter, brighter, and more confidently. Whether you're drawn to gentle pastels, elegant neutrals, or bold jewel tones, there's a world of color that's waiting to bring out your best. Let your wardrobe be an extension of your spirit, vibrant, wise, and joyful. You've earned the right to shine in every shade that makes you feel alive. So step out in color and let the world see the radiant, unforgettable woman you are.